have Huawei Mate 10 Pro BackGlass replacement. The customer brings this device to replace the BackGlass of the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. I'm going to start heating the BackGlass with the heat gun with 2 Celsius degree for every 30 seconds, and as we need. Under the BackGlass there is adhesive. We need to make the adhesive soft so we can take it out. In this model we have fingerprint flex cable in the back. When we remove the BackGlass, we don't need to push the plastic piece inside the flex cable and make the flex cable damage. So we need to be patient, not to go in the edges too much, just a little. I need you to follow all my steps before proceed. It's better to watch this before proceed. As you can see, I'm working with patience. I don't need to make any damage to the device. Also, the BackGlass is broken. I could hurt my hands, so the glass is very dangerous. I will leave you with the video for a few seconds. I'll come back. We are almost ready to remove the BackGlass, just a few, and it will be removed now. Don't pull too much, there is a flex cable. I'm thinking what to do. There is no need to remove the screws. I'm just going to remove the fingerprint from the glass. I will use the heat gun after thinking. When I removed the first screw, I noticed that I have to remove the whole shield to remove the flex cable. So why should I do that? I'm going to proceed to remove the fingerprint flex cable and the fingerprint sensor from the back glass. As you can see, it seems all connected, so I'm going to leave it for now and I will proceed with the different solution now. Don't put too much heat into the finger sensor. The finger sensor could be damaged. I'm using 130 Celsius to heat the back so I can remove the finger sensor. Don't be in rush while you are removing it. It's thick with adhesive. It's a strong adhesive, that's why it's taking too long time. I don't need to force it to be removed. I just want to handle it easily. Any force and I could end it by cutting this flex cable. So patience is needed while you are dealing with devices. After that, I'm going to remove the flash shield. I don't know what does it call, and the camera lenses or in the back. These two we have to transfer from the old one to the new one. The new one doesn't came with these thing, so you had to remove it from the old one to the new one. You can remove the sticker so we can put the lenses and the glass of the lid, the camera flash. Don't force it to remove it. It could broke or something. I don't know. The first time dealing with this, I don't need to make something got damaged, so I'm always going easily with the thing without any force. It's very important. We are here to fix the devices, not to damage the devices. Whatever we are doing, we have to take care of all the pieces on the device. What I'm using now is alcohol. The alcohol will help you to make the adhesive or the double face not working, and this will achieve the job easier. You can heat whatever you want, but don't put too much heat. This glass could be melted down, or it's a plastic, I don't know exactly. So it's better not to put the heat gun to the too much Celsius degree. You can keep the 150, 100 Celsius degree. and going on. Okay, it's out. Now we are done removing all the pieces from the old one. Now we are just going to glue it down to that position. There is no adhesive under it. I'm going to glue that down with the adhesive. It's E8000. I'm going to put small amount of that adhesive. I don't need too much adhesive, just to put it down. Okay, now bring them one by one. This is for the flashlight light. What I'm doing is removing the back adhesive that just leak from the other side. I just removing while it's so soft with my hand. Okay, I think this is better for me to do. Now I'm going to clean the lenses or the glasses of the camera or the protector of the camera. They are so dirty. I'm going to clean them before putting them down. It's better for the customer. He could came telling you the glass isn't clear and the recording not clear also. So I had to tear down again and clean it and then assemble it down. Now I can put the back glass on position and press it down, and that's it. Make sure that the fingerprint sensor is in position, then you can press it down, and that's it. If you enjoy with this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, just write it down in the comments below. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.